everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a lazy lasagna recipe. You're getting a look of that right here, and we're going to jump right into today's recipe. I thought I would start off by showing you all the ingredients, and then we're going to start to layer things in my crock pot. I've already put a crock pot liner in my crock pot so that it'll be easier cleanup later. So our ingredients today are going to be some spaghetti sauce. We prefer the Prego. This one's really good. And just so you know, this is not going to be pointed. I am not going to list out the points. This is going to be a little higher point item, but I thought that I would just go ahead and show you how easy this is to throw together in case you have a potluck or something you're going to. So spaghetti sauce. I have 2 containers of this ricotta cheese, a package of beef ravioli, a package of cheese ravioli, some Italian style meatballs, and some mozzarella cheese. And I might even throw some Italian seasoning in this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you up on my tripod. I'm going to hover you over my crock pot. Hopefully I have my small tripod here with me, but we're going to make this work. So come along with me while I mix up dinner while I'm at the campground. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to start off with a layer of sauce. So we're going to put a really thin layer of sauce in the bottom of our crock pot, and then we're going to start to layer the ingredients in just a little random order. So I started off with the first bag of ravioli, and I'm just going to spread those out to make sure that each layer is nice and even. Okay, so next we're going to add in the mozzarella cheese, and I had a little bit left over in another bag that I wanted to use up, so I went ahead and threw that on top of the ravioli. Okay, so next up we're going to layer on some ricotta cheese. So I find it easier just to put a little dollop in different places as it drops. It just makes it easier, so then you can just take a spoon and start spreading out that layer. Again, just trying to make sure that we have even layers as we are putting this lasagna together. Okay, so now we're going to add in another layer of that sauce. So we're going to get that in, and again, just continue to spread this around. And then we're going to add in some meatballs, and I'm telling you, the meatballs in the middle was a game changer. It was so good. Alright, so we're going to continue on with the layers. I'm going to layer on another layer of the ravioli once I get the meatballs in, and then I'm going to repeat the layers. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to speed this up. We're going to skip ahead, and I will show you what's next. Okay, so like I said, we're going to speed this right up. I'm going to fly through these layers. We've got the ravioli in there. Next up, we're going to add in the mozzarella cheese. And the cheesier, the better with this dish. Another layer of ricotta. We're going to add in some more sauce. Next up, we're going to put in the rest of that bag of ravioli. I had some room left in my crock pot, and again, I was cooking for a crowd. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and put in the rest of that cheese, as much as I can possibly get on the top of that, because I wanted all that cheesy goodness to melt down. And again, I warned you, this was not Weight Watcher friendly. I did have some. I had a nice big salad with it, but it was so good and worth every single calorie that went into it. Throwing the lid on, and I'm going to put that on high for at least 5 to 6 hours. I did check it after 4, and it needed a little more cook time, but again, 5 to 6 hours was perfect. Okay, so here is our finished product. It was absolutely delicious. I received lots of compliments for this recipe. Everybody enjoyed it, and we were feeding about 15 people, so this was the perfect amount of food. I had a side salad with mine. I tried to have more salad than the actual lasagna, just to, be good on my end. But I just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comments, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video.